A seatbelt buckle that sometimes sticks feels minor, but in modern cars it can change SRS decisions. That click is both mechanical retention and an electronic signal, and intermittent behavior is treated as unacceptable. Because the restraint system is a network, the dash light may reflect signal trust, not just latch feel. Inside the buckle, a pawl captures the tongue, springs preload the geometry, and a release cam resets it. Alongside that mechanism is a buckle switch that reports latched or unlatched status to the SRS module. Many vehicles integrate the buckle with a pre-tensioner that removes slack in milliseconds during a severe event. Now, the common mechanical cause, contamination like crumbs or hair, can interrupt pawl travel and full engagement depth. The scary part is, partial engagement can feel okay in a casual tug, yet behave inconsistently under dynamic loading. Heat cycling and aging can warp plastics, relax springs, and shift tolerances until the latch becomes inconsistent. After a collision, even without visible clues, loads or pre-tensioner activation can compromise parts and require replacement. So professionals start with visual inspection for cracks, distortion, contamination, and any signs of tampering. Then they cycle it repeatedly, because consistency matters more than one lucky latch that seems fine. Controlled tension checks from multiple angles help confirm the latch geometry holds securely, not just straight-line pulls.
Next comes the electronic layer, scanning SRS faults and watching whether buckle status changes cleanly every time.
Because a good buckle can still look bad if underseat wiring has intermittent contact or connector movement. Targeted circuit checks separate a faulty switch from a harness issue and assess pre-tensioner circuit integrity.
They also verify the module state, since some events can store data that keeps the system from returning ready.
Engineering guidance is simple. Only minor issues get limited external cleaning. Anything intermittent or damaged becomes assembly replacement. Costs vary by vehicle and seat position, usually combining diagnosis time with parts and labor complexity.
To wrap up, treat SRS lights seriously, avoid disassembly near pre-tensioners, and confirm both mechanics and diagnostics are clean. Lock & Cal.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Lock & Cal for more content like this.